kitchen and flag. Everything good, me say nothing do bad. Wave she a wave the Jamaican flag. You better subscribe to the vibe that she have. Remember to like, remember to subscribe, hit the bell icon. Rose, kitchen and vlog. Tell you.
Hi everyone, today I'm going to make a simple and easy recipe, and it's bacon wrap asparagus. Okay, this is a simple and easy side dish where your family will love. So first you want to ensure you rinse off your asparagus, and I'm only going to do 4 today. So you want to make sure you cut off the ends, okay, the hard part of the asparagus. And this is a must try, everyone. Please try this recipe. And you want to season your asparagus. I just use vegetable season. So now I'm going to wrap the asparagus with the bacon. Start from the top all the way down.
Anytime a video drop, make sure say you like, subscribe and comment to that. See the thing a enlarge. Rose a the boss. Rose a go teach them like say your class. Food in a plate and juice in a glass. Hey, let me tell you about Rose, kitchen and vlog. Everything good, me say nothing do bad. Wave she a wave the Jamaican flag.
So now I'm going to put toothpick to secure the bacon. Okay, both the top and the bottom. And then we're going to continue this procedure until all our asparagus is wrapped. Everything good, me say nothing do bad. Wave she a wave the Jamaican flag. You better subscribe to the vibe that she have. Talk about Rose, kitchen and vlog, kitchen and vlog, kitchen and vlog. All about the kitchen. And my people, make sure you try this simple and easy recipe. Chop chop, chop chop. Mama tell you about Rose, kitchen and vlog. Everything good, me say nothing do bad. Wave she a wave the Jamaican flag. Subscribe to the vibe that she have. Mama tell you about Rose. So guys, I have my oil here in my pot. I'm using vegetable oil. You could use any oil of your choice. And I'm just going to make sure my bacon wrap asparagus is fried. You could fry to your liking. I love mine crispy. Alright, so now it fry on both sides, and I'm sprinkling some Parmesan cheese. And if you have fresh parsley, you could put it on it, but I have the dry parsley. Okay, so you want to ensure you take out the pick out of the asparagus, okay, and enjoy. This is a good side dish for you and your family. Have a blessed day, everyone. God bless. One love. Bye. Have everything locked. Food delicious when she cooking at the pot. Anytime a video drop, make sure say you like, subscribe and comment to that. See the thing a enlarge. Rose a the boss.